Go!
Let me hold it for you.
Yeah.
You want mommy to kick it? Go in it. No, over there. Okay, ready? Go.
Oh!
Here, I'll do it again for you. Okay, you ready? Ready and go. Woo! Sorry, mommy dropped that. Come on, let's go. Can I throw the ball to you?
No.
Oh, okay. Can mommy kick your ball? Yes? Can I kick it? Hold it for mommy and I kick the ball.
Blast it. Watch.